Welcome to LeBron Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're excited to review the Apple AirPods 2. These popular wireless earbuds promise seamless connectivity, impressive sound quality, and a host of features that make them a favorite among tech enthusiasts. Let's take a closer look at what makes the AirPods 2 stand out from the crowd. Imagine a world where your headphones adapt to your surroundings, offering unparalleled sound quality and seamless connectivity. Welcome to the Apple AirPods Pro 2. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are not just an upgrade. They redefine what Bluetooth headphones can offer with their cutting-edge features. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 and the H2 chip, these earbuds ensure faster, more reliable connections, whether you're listening to music, taking calls, or watching movies.
One standout feature is the personalized spatial audio, which uses your iPhone's camera to tailor the sound to your unique ear shape, creating an immersive, 3D-like audio experience.
Active Noise Cancellation in the AirPods Pro 2 is among the best in the industry, dynamically adjusting to surrounding noise for a superior listening experience. Transparency mode allows external sounds to pass through, keeping you aware of your environment while still enjoying your audio. With USB-C charging, the AirPods Pro 2 offer faster and more convenient charging, providing up to 6 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 30 hours with the charging case. These earbuds are designed to meet the needs of both audiophiles and casual listeners, offering premium features in a compact design.
Whether you're commuting, working out, or simply enjoying music at home, the AirPods Pro 2 deliver an elevated audio experience.
Upgrade your listening experience today with the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Experience the future of wireless audio. Buy now from link in description and enjoy exclusive offers and fast delivery.